even as the suspense over the Maharashtra CM continues, there seems to be some clarity on when the swearing-in ceremony will take place. We know when the new CM will take oath, but we still do not know who will take oath as the Chief Minister of Maharashtra. It's Maharashtra's BJP chief who's put out a post on social media platform X announcing the date of the much-awaited ceremony. Now, as per the post, the oath-taking ceremony of the Mahayuti government will take place on the 5th of December at 5 p.m. in Mumbai's Azad Maidan. He has even mentioned that Prime Minister Narendra Modi will also attend the grand ceremony. On this, it's the Maha Vikas Aghadi that is slamming the Mahayuti, with Uddhav Sena's Aditya Thackeray leading the charge, saying that this is pure anarchy. While congratulating whoever will be the new Chief Minister, it's Aditya Thackeray who's saying that the date of the oath-taking ceremony comes from the governor's office. Someone has, to show majority to stake the claim, but nothing has happened so far. He's also once again asserted that this is pure anarchy. In fact, when it comes to the delay in government formation, it's Uddhav Sena leaders who are saying that the governor should now recommend the imposition of President's rule. Listen into the reactions coming in from the Maha Vikas Aghadi.
ये डेट गवर्नर के ऑफिस से आती है. कब से हमारा देश ट्विटर पे चलने लगा है, तो जो भी ओथ ले उनको हमारी शुभेच्छा है. लेकिन ये पूरी अनार्की होने लगी. कोई सिस्टम है कि नहीं हमारे देश में. ये किसी ने जाके क्लेम करना पड़ता है, फिर कहना पड़ता है कि हम गवर्नमेंट बनाएंगे, सरकार बनाएंगे, आंकड़े दिखाते हैं और फिर ये सब तय होता है. तो अभी कुछ हुआ है?
2/3 से ज्यादा बहुमत के बाद भी भारतीय जनता पार्टी के नेतृत्व वाली महायुति सरकार अपना मुख्यमंत्री घोषित अभी तक नहीं कर पाई है. प्रबल बहुमत के बाद मुख्यमंत्री ने चुन पाना दर्शाता है कि ये सरकार धोखा, विश्वासघात और चुनावी धांधली से बनी.